Hello, I am Josh Bennett. I work here at Pharm Origins, ironically in the media department. I take quite a bit of the Pharm Origins powdered products, but the only one that I really take on a daily basis would be the Memtropic. Earlier this year, I was experiencing quite a bit of brain fog and a bit of trouble with immediate memory recall. So I began taking the Memtropic, and I didn't immediately feel the effects of the lion's mane, but right away I definitely felt the effects of the green tea extract, the hordenine. Those are great, clean sources of caffeine that are really going to get you going in the morning. One of the coolest things about it too is that not only are you getting those immediate effects from the green tea extract, but over time I began to notice the lion's mane, which helps a lot with neurological disorders, but also kind of memory recall. While I don't currently have any fear of getting a neurological disorder anytime soon, it's great to know that it's going to help me out with prevention. While it's also great for preventing, it's also going to help reverse any damage you might have right now. And one of the other great things about the Memtropic is, along with the green tea extract and the hordenine for a caffeine boost, the beetroot is going to help a lot with circulation, which plays a lot into energy, just getting your blood flowing. I really enjoy taking the Memtropic. I'm excited to take it for years to come, and I'm definitely going to be recommending it to anybody who needs help with daily energy or memory recall.
Hi! Pharm Origins has been a world leader in cutting-edge natural health supplements since 2012. Now, we need your help. We are in the process of formulating cutting-edge offerings we believe will change the health industry forever. But we need your open and honest opinion. You get free product, and we get your feedback. It's as simple as that. Interested? If so, go to free.pharmorigins.com and register to be a product tester. Spots are very limited. Thank you for your time, and thank you for being a Pharm Origins customer.